August 9th, 2024, and this video is called Mutant Animal? Question mark. Now, I've been gardening for about 30 years, and this is the most bizarre incident that I would say that I've ever had. Now, it's definitely not a cat. It might be a dog, but this is just the weirdest animal I've ever seen. So today at approximately 4 o'clock, I was sitting on my little bucket pulling some weeds, and all of a sudden I heard all these birds, especially cardinals. They were chirping like crazy. Usually when that happens, there's sometimes a hawk in the area or some kind of animal that's trying to catch up and attack some kind of other bird or something. So the birds are in a frenzy, and I see them all going towards a certain tree. Next thing I know, what I'm about to show you runs past me within about 10 feet. So immediately, I had my camera in my truck, and I ran to my truck, got the camera, and I got two videos. This first video is very shaky because I'm trying to run, follow this creature, and take some video. So check this out. I'll show this to you. You're going to see it right there. Let's slow this down again. The first video is going to be very bad, but see that thing in the middle there? And now I'll continue. Okay, see, we'll slow down here. See this thing? It looks bald. Okay, and that's all I got on that one. So here's the second one. I ran behind the building. I'll do this one in regular motion and then slow it down. Watch this. See that thing? Then I ran in towards the back of the property, and I couldn't find him again. Okay, here he is. Is this bizarre or what? And I will do some close-ups in slow motion after this. But what do you think this is? And I followed him, and he went to the back of the woods. He was gone. First time I've ever seen anything like this. Isn't that thing cool? What do you think it is? Take some guesses. It's some kind of mutant animal in the mutant garden.